Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now we're in Busselton to check out the longest wooden pier that we're gonna get on a train to get to the end, and at the end there's like a mini aquarium in the real ocean.
Geographe Bay was named in May 1801 by French explorer Nicolas.
These are not in tanks. This is the real ocean, bro. This is the real ocean. This jetty is 1.8 kilometers. This is my favorite ship playground. Alright guys, we're now going to check out the Maru chocolate factory. Let's go.
It looks like I'm getting a freckle. Oh, yum.
Hi guys, now we're gonna look at the Mammoth Cave. Let's go. It's a self-guided audio tour. So there's these numbers in the caves, and if we put in that number in here, it tells us what that means. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, look at that. I think that's the end. Oh, it's cold in the cave. Ooh. There is a jawbone of a extinct animal on the wall of this cave. Here's some more bones here from extinct animals. You see those things on the roof? Those are like limestone drips that are called stalactites. This cave is 30 meters down and 500 meters long. Now we are going to check out the Nelgi Cave. Let's go. Present day. Over the years, water hits the rocks that turns into a cave. As the water drips through, it adds these crystal things that could come out of the top or the bottom of the cave. cave is way more tricky than the other one that we went to. We have to duck so many times, and there's like some very small areas that we have to duck through. And there was a tunnel that Mum and Dad had to crawl through, and they were packing their ducks. This is the biggest stalactite in this entire cave because it weighs as much as a car. This is just Minecraft but realistic.
That's in mining. That's the mining one. That's how you mine in Minecraft.
That was absolutely epic and my favorite. Busselton has been amazing. We've done so many different things in Busselton. And my favorite thing were the caves. Hey Jay, what was your favorite thing in Busselton?
The cave.
Cool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.